There is a wide variation when it comes to the public opinion on homeschooling. Some are avid supporters, while some do not find it in the best interest of children. And to weigh out the pros and cons of homeschooling, a list of advantages and disadvantages of this alternative means of education is set up. Either way, if it is really the best of the learners, that is at their supporters' and detractors' hearts. Why not consider what the learner really needs in order to achieve learning success, whether in the public and private educational system or through homeschooling? Taking the side of homeschooling, it is important to evaluate and identify the needs of the children, their interest, the learning methods that best stimulates their curiosity and inquisitiveness. This is the only key to a quality homeschool education, addressing what the homeschooled kid needs. In homeschooling children, the instructors may be in the form of the parents, or a tutor should be able to commit a time for learning. And homeschooling, with all the preparations, will really take up much time. A child will have to be given a strict time schedule for learning, and time for playing as well. Homeschooled children are criticized to be less sociable individuals. Indeed, socialization is a major factor in developing the personality of a child. Having this in mind, instructors should give attention to the child getting together with other children apart from the home. All children grow at their own pace. Let kids be kids. Understand that they are experiencing the world for the first time. Get involved and be interested in what interests the child. If it is in the arts and crafts field, then focus on that. Not only will it help the instructor foster rapport with the child, but this will also stimulate and motivate the child to learn new things. Give the child some room to grow and develop on his own with proper guidance. The effort of homeschooling children will never be too much. It is constant striving to address the children's needs, and this will greatly vary as you go along. Children grow and develop, and sooner or later will be interested in new things. And when this time comes, the instructor should always be ready to cater to the children's requirement for learning. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.